it's Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. As you can subscribe, the button is always down below. Just beauty, lifestyle, panning, and more. And today I have my Ipsy Glam bag unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it. I almost said Glam bag X, but this last month, very belated post. I literally just posted it. I guess I'll link it down below. But this is the June Glam bag. I'm like losing track of time to the point where I want to say like July, but it's definitely not July yet. But yeah, this is the June Glam bag. This is what it looks like. It's this pink bag. I believe there's options to get 3 different of the bags this month between, I don't know, there's like a pink, a yellow, and then there might have been like a blue. I can't remember, but I definitely got the pink, which I'm really obsessed with. It has like a watermelon on there, which is super cute. I'm very much so obsessed with this and stuff. Ipsy is, I believe, $13 a month, and I think in July they are upping, they're not upping their price, but they are now including a shipping fee basically, which is gonna be like $1 or something. See, I'm conflicted with that. I really do love Ipsy. I like receiving the Glam bag X's. Like, I love those. Those are probably my favorite boxes from them. I don't know, I'm kind of like debating like not getting it is my thing, which really pains me because like I said, I love Ipsy. I've come to love it. I've been getting it since 2020 and stuff, so it's been 2 years with Ipsy for me, over 2 years actually. So yeah, that's my launch spiel, but let's just, I guess, get into this Glam bag rather than talking about the future. That can be a conversation to guess for a later time. So of course, with every bag you get your card. This is what the card looks like this month. It usually has a product sent inside, but this month it does not. But the theme of June is show your colors. Super cute and stuff. You can also scan a QR code to get into this month's theme, and yeah, that's fun. So the first thing I got in my Glam bag is from LaRousse, I think is how you say it. This is a brush, which I actually haven't tried out yet, but I'm excited to. It's their tapered blending LR120 brush. Just looks like that. It's a nice blending brush. It's super soft, which I'm really excited about and stuff. I love getting new brushes, and this looks like a good like setting brush or crease brush, or just, I guess you can use it all over type brush. It's really nice, and yeah, I can't wait to try that. I'm actually gonna go on my phone to pull up their app so I can like give more information on each product, I guess. So yeah, this is by LaRousse Beauty, and this is their taper blending in gray. It retails for $28, which is really great because it basically pays for the bag if you think about it, because if you're getting products that are valued more, obviously it gives more value, obviously, and yeah, it makes it full size. It says you can use this with your powder to blend transition shades or layer on colors for a smoky look. And they're cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, and that kind of stuff. So that's fun. Love getting new brushes. So now we're gonna actually get into what's in the bag. The first physical thing, this is the first thing that's in the bag. So the first thing in the bag is this. I actually chose this. This is from Youth to the People. This is their Kombucha 11% AHA exfoliation powder toner. It has lactic acid and glycolic acid, black tea, and tree bark. Like I said, it's from Youth of the People. That's what it looks like. Pretty nice. I've only used it once and stuff, and I decided not to do a try on this month because I just didn't feel like it. Like, I just wasn't too excited about doing like a try on this month, so I guess it's going on pause for a bit. I don't know, maybe I won't do try-ons as much. We'll kind of see. Maybe I'll go back to doing Instagram stories of showing the products off. We'll see, or like reels, I guess. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's super nice. I really liked it because when I used it after, my skin was super soft. I felt so smooth. Like, my skin hadn't felt that smooth in a while, so it was really nice, and I really like this. It's pretty decent size sample. You can really see if you like it and get multiple usages, which is what I like about Ipsy. I mean, sometimes they skimp you on the samples, but for the most part, you actually get a decent testing of things, which I like. So next, I'm not happy about this, so this will likely, I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this, but this is a liquid liner. This is from the brand, I can't remember, it's the Black Magic Liquid Liner by the brand Ico. I don't know, I'll probably just set this like off to the side and put this with Mercari orders, which I haven't listed anything on there in a while, but maybe I'll do that. But it's just a nice black with liquid liner, and if you were into black liquid liners, you would probably be into that, but I'm not, so for me this is just like not it. Then I got a brow gel, which I was pretty excited about, from the brand Groom and Sculpt. This is their tinted brow gel, and yeah, actually I think the brand is Brow Atelier, and it's called the Groom and Sculpt Tinted Brow Gel. Mine's in the shade Truffle, which is pretty typical of a color name, but yeah. It's by the brand Brow Atelier, Atelier, I can't say that word. And it is a deluxe size sample. I believe the full size retails for $21. They have 6 shades of it, which I feel like could be better, but I don't know. But I really like this. It's a super nice brow gel. I like how the applicator of it is pretty small. It's just really nice like that, because it's so small that it actually, like, you can groom your brows without like it being too big. I've had that problem with brow gels before. They'd be too big and then I wouldn't be able to like actually comb them through my brows. With this one I can, and I'm pretty obsessed with that. So this is the last thing I got in my bag, and this is from the brand Sugar, and this is their Goddess of Flawless Mattifying SPF. This has SPF 30 in it. I hate this. When I tried this yesterday, I was like, no. It's like a silicone mattifying sunscreen, which I don't like. I don't like the feeling of silicone things on my face. I don't like the feeling in my hands. I don't like it at all. And this just kind of like dried my skin out a little bit. So I'm really not into it. I don't like it. Not at all. Not one bit. So the full size of that retails for the Ico eyeliner travel size retails for $12, and then the full size retails for $22. Not really sure, couldn't find much information on the sunscreen, which is kind of a little sketchy to me, but you know, whatever. I guess, I don't know, this is a very iffy month with Ipsy for me. Like, I wasn't feeling it this month. Don't like the sunscreen. Brush I can't wait to try. I think I'll love it. The brow gel I really love. Same with the toner. The eyeliner I won't even use. Favoring products, we're at like a 3 out of 5. So I guess it's not terrible, but this month just iffy for me. Wasn't really in love with anything, but you know, you have those months every once in a while, and I guess I can hope next month's better, because I don't plan on canceling. I'm debating on pausing the regular Glam bag and maybe upping for next month as like a treat to myself, but I don't know. I don't know. But I hope you guys had a good month with your Ipsies or any Glam bag you subscribe to. Let me know if you have any suggestions for like other ones I should try. I debated BoxyCharm. I know there are other ones out there, but if you have any suggestions, let me know. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because those videos basically every week. Lots of panning, makeup, and I guess sometimes lifestyle content, and lots of stuff elsewhere. I'll leave all my socials right here. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.